68 years of hiccups. Imagine the daily struggle of Charles Osborne, who started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. That's over 430 million hiccups. Doctors couldn't pinpoint the cause, leaving everyone baffled. Despite this peculiar condition, Osborne managed to live a relatively normal life, even getting married and having children. His hiccuping spree remains one of the most bizarre medical mysteries ever recorded, proving that the human body can endure the most astonishing anomalies. Can you imagine hiccuping for even an hour, let alone nearly 7 decades?